Honorable Romel P. Flores would like to welcome and acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ian Law, the Chief Executive Officer of Grace Pharmacy, Bacolod. Once again,
Good evening,
we
guys.
would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ian Law of Negros Grace Pharmacy. Thank you so much, Sir Law, for coming over.
Paring pangito. Ito yung barangay namin, guys, no? Ayan o, yung barangay hall. People's Hall. Yung kanina, yung may hindi yan nagyawan. Hindi ako nakabol ang dinagyawan, guys, because I was sa Lopestes at sa Mega World. So, ngayon na akong gabi dito, nakapunta. Sinamasyal lang kami ng aking mga kaibigan. Kita kami doon. So good evening and God bless everyone. Uy! Lucio! Good evening. Ano pa mao da? Ano pa nga da? O saris Lucio diyo?